Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and I hope that everyone who is watching this video is safe and is healthy during this pandemic which is going on again in our country. So on my channel I share videos on paper quilling and other paper crafts. So if you are new to my channel, you can consider subscribing. In today's video, we are going to make these lovely tags which are beginner friendly, and any first timer also can make these tag very beautifully. So the requirements to make these tags are as shown on your screen. So to make this tag we need paper quilling strips, slotted needle tool which can be manual as well as motored, some paper for the tag. You can take any paper which is thick like 250 GSM or more, and you need a scissor. You need a mold, but this is an optional thing. I will also tell you an alternative to this one. Glue and tweezers are required. So we are going to make this simple tag. For this I have taken this color of strip. You can take any color you want. So my strips are around 18 inches long, so I divide the strip in half, which means that I am making tight coil using 9-inch long strip. I am simply making the tight coils out of them. So once my tight coils are ready, I am going to paste them together. For the center I have taken brown color for making the tight coil. So first paste the brown color tight coil in the center, and around it paste some peach color tight coils to make a flower. Similar process we are going to make on the second tag. Now for the stems and leaves I have taken green color strip, and I am going to do the edge quilling using this green color strip for a bit. So here I am measuring how much strip I need for the stem, and I am gluing the edge of the strip. Now I am making a other stem which is coming from the main stem. I am so sorry I didn't come to know that I went out of the frame. So here I am trying to make some leaf pattern. So basically what I did was I took some green color paper, and I just rolled it like this to make the leaf. You can even make a simple leaf over here and paste that. And on the child stem I just put one tight coil to make it like a bird. So with this our first tag is ready. Now let's come to the tag 2. This is going to be a 3D sort of flower, and for this also I have taken 9-inch long 3 mm strip. Again making a tight coil, opening it a bit and pinching it on the one end to make a teardrop, gluing the end, and then using the mold you can give it a 3D shape like this and glue the inside so that it doesn't lose its shape later. And again I am going to teach you, if you don't have this mold, how to make this 3D shape. So to make the 3D shape without the mold, you can simply use your finger, little finger, and give it a 3D shape. So both results are perfectly same. So now take your base and keep aside your buds. Now take a green strip and cut some small pieces out of it so that we can later make a bunch out of those green pieces. So now using those green pieces, start making the bunch as shown. Now once the bunch is ready, just on the tips of these strips paste your buds and your tag will be ready. Isn't it very simple yet elegant tag? I just loved it. I made this tag in two different colors. Now let's come to the third tag, which is a sunflower tag. And to make this sunflower I have taken golden yellow color of strip, and here I have taken a strip length from 4 to 9 inches. The variable lengths I have taken because on the upper side our petals are in smaller size and on the lower side our petals are in the bigger size. So same like the first tag, I have taken brown color center for this, and I am going to now paste these petals which are of teardrop shape, and I am going to paste the longer strip in the bottom and shorter petals on the top side. You can even leave the upper 3-4 petals, and again that flower will look very beautiful, or you can even complete it like just we did here. For the stem I have taken the green color and I am just making the stem just like we did in the previous two tags. For the bird, I am again making a tight coil, just opening it a bit and like giving it a oval kind of shape and just pasting it on the baby stem. So with this our tag is ready. Now let's come to the fourth tag. This is a very simple tag in which I have used three colors of loose coils to make this pyramid sort of structure. So you can choose any three colors of your choice and you can make this tag very beautifully. This tag can be made out of any spare strips you are left with your work, or any strip which are not like in perfect condition, because sometimes we spoil our strips by uh, crushing them or something like that. So you can even use a crimper and then make the loose coils or maybe tight coils as well, and you can just use your any kind of strip to make this tag. So it was very fast. Now this is a heart tag, and to make this tag I have used the heart shape. So to make the heart shape we are taking a strip and we are going to make a teardrop out of it. Then on the circular side we are going to pinch a bit inside using the pencil or maybe your slotted needle tool, and simply after making 6 7 hearts of maybe same size or maybe different size as per your wish, you can simply paste these hearts here and there and the tag is ready. Now let's come to this cutie tag which I just tried like anything, and for this we need some tight coils, 17 to be precise. Okay, and a semicircle sort of shape for the mouth. So as you can see here I have made a pyramid of tight coils with 5 layers. So I'm going to do the same here. So here I felt that I was not going in the straight line, so I'm just trying to adjust my pyramid in the right direction. And once the pyramid, or you can say hat, is ready, I'm going to paste the eyes. And now to make the mouth, I'm going to roll the strip again, opening it and giving it a shape of semicircle, curved semicircle I must say. Or you can also say that this is a moon shape. So whatever you want to call it. I think calling it the moon shape will be the best. Now let's come to the last tag for the day, and this is a lavender flower sort of tag which I tried to make over here. So I had some leftover green strips from the previous tag, and I just cut it triangular from the end so that the bottom is a bit thin. And for the petals I am going to make some loose coils from the purple color. Make 5 or maybe 7 out of them and paste them as shown. Now using the green strip we are going to make two small scrolls. So to make a scroll, take a strip, curve it, make a loose open loose coil from one end, and then paste this scroll on the stem. From the leftover strip make a smaller scroll and paste it on the other side. So with this our cutie tag is ready. So aren't these tags beautiful? So with this I am completing this video, and here are the glimpses of the tags which we created. And if you like this video, share it with your friends, post the feedback in the comments, let me know what you would like to see in the future videos. Thank you, and don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon so that you get the notification first of all.